Hi Bible drillers, let's do another craft for one of the verses in the red cycle. Today our verse is Deuteronomy 6:5. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your strength. Deuteronomy 6:5. So let's make a puzzle that we can do to help us learn that verse. You're going to need a styrofoam plate, a toothpick, some tape, and some yarn, a permanent marker, and this is the template that's in the Bible Drill at Home kit, and it's item 3J. So the first thing that we need to do is draw a big heart on our plate. And like I said, you need a permanent marker. Remember, on the styrofoam, if it's not a permanent marker, it's gonna rub off on your fingers. So draw a big heart that takes up most of the plate. There you go, something like that. Okay, now we're gonna write the words of the verse around the heart. And that's when you need to use your template, because we need every other word to go on the opposite side of the heart. So here is love, here's thee, and see how the next words go across from it, so that when we sew it up later, we'll have a place to go. So I have one here that I've already started. Got the words written around it. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your strength. And then the next thing that we need to do is make our needle. Now you're gonna need probably 3 or 4 yards of yarn, but if you want to, you can cut a smaller piece, and then when you run out, just add some to it. So to make our needle, we're just gonna take the toothpick and put the yarn on here, and then we're gonna use some tape and tape around it, and that will make our needle so that we can sew our heart together. Okay, on your plate, everywhere that you have written a word, you need to make a hole. So from the front, just go and make a hole next to each word, okay? And then to get started sewing it together, you need to tape the end of your yarn behind the first word, and the first word is love, so find love on your plate, then go on the back and get some tape and just tape it right there. Then you're gonna bring it in from the back, right where the love is, and so there's love, and then we'll go on to thee, and keep lacing them together. I have one here that I'm almost finished with. I'm all the way to soul, and with all. Oops, my needle came off. If that happens to you, just get some more tape and reattach it. And we were all the way to all. And we need your, strength. And see how I'm gonna run out of yarn? Just cut your needle off and get some more yarn and tape it to it. Actually, you can tie it probably. If there's enough room to tie it, tie it. If there's not, go ahead and tape it. That'll work just fine. Okay, so when you get it all strung together, you can say the word and the verse in order, and that'll help you to memorize the words. So let's say our verse together. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your strength. Deuteronomy 6:5.